So, I hope everyone's doing okay right now. I know we are all stuck inside due to the impending snowstorms on our world, but I figured while we're inside, we would talk about everyone's favorite subject right now, China. Because China isn't just good at producing snowstorms, they're also good at producing phones, and a lot of them. See, we've all heard of Apple, Samsung, Google, LG, and maybe even the lesser-known companies like OnePlus or Essential. Remember the Essential phone? But there are some phone companies that you probably haven't heard of that use some really interesting ways to promote their products. So I figured we would check them out today. You know, I put out a poll to ask what video you guys wanted to see. This video lost, however, we're going to do it anyways because this is my channel. So in the meantime, let's talk about Doggy. So what's interesting isn't exactly the phones that these companies are making, but how they decide to market them. Because you could use a million marketing tactics. You could do what Apple does and just talk about how elegant and beautiful your products are. Or you could try celebrity endorsements, as long as you're careful to make sure they don't accidentally tweet from the wrong phone. But for whatever reason, a lot of these Chinese companies have been using some different tactics. For example, one of my favorite companies, known as Doggy, is using one of their native social media platforms. It's from China. Maybe you've heard of it. It's called TikTok. Oh, no. Now, I know a lot of you probably just clicked off of this video, but I promise we're just going to be talking about Doggy in this video. So let's just open up the app here.
Earthquake check.
Only Doggy. So Doggy makes what they call rugged phones. So they don't want to do normal commercials. They want to test the phone. They want to really push it to its limits. They've got tons of tests on their page. We'll just click on the first one I see. Here's the altitude drop test. This one should be good. That's it? That's the whole TikTok. It just ends. It just falls into the field. They don't show if the phone survived. They just drop it in the field and end the video. Classic Doggy. Okay, well, they've got a ton of tests on here. Let's see if any of these are actually useful. Here's Doggy S95 Pro versus Fruit Slice. Well, I will say, during the quarantine, people are trying to eat healthier, so cutting fruit is something a lot of people do. I don't know how that could damage the phone, but let's just check it out. This is nice and wholesome. So they're gonna stab the phone with a knife, I see. So maybe they're gonna be cutting the fruit, then they're gonna slip a little bit, stab the phone with the knife. Let's see if it survives. And they're just cutting the fruit on top of the phone. I don't even understand the purpose of this ad. Like, no one was using it as a cutting board to begin with. However, this video did teach me a great hack, and next time my cutting board breaks, I'll know exactly what to do. It's like someone at Doggy was like, how should we test this phone and really show people how durable it is? We could drop it on the ground, we could put it in water. Nah, let's just use it as a walnut cracker. I don't know. There's a lot of Chinese phone companies, but Doggy seems to be the one that specializes in these great rugged phones. Let's see what the other companies have to offer. So here is Alcatel. Alcatel specializes in sleek design and good-looking phones. Let's take a look at their latest phone, the Alcatel C18 Pro. Looking at the specs, we can see that the phone features all true cameras. They have to specify this because companies like this are known for adding extra small circles and holes in the camera module to make it look like there are more cameras than there really are. But they're really trying to be honest, which I can appreciate. They have an optimized small blind hole. That's what she said. And it even has everyone's favorite macro camera. A great addition to find an unseen nuisance. I'm gonna start using that insult for next time I'm mad at someone in another room. It's just like, seriously, Jack? Did you upload another studio renovations video? When you make videos in a 10-foot by 10-foot box, how many times can you unseen nuisance? It's a video about recreating MKBHD videos. Why can't you just be your own person for once? You're copying Marques Brownlee, Unbox Therapy, Casey Neistat, Unbox Therapy, Unbox Therapy. I'm trying, okay? This video is going to be something new, something different, something they've never seen before. This video is going to prove that I'm not just some 14 hours a day, YouTube watching, TikTok loving, wannabe comedic YouTuber / Marques Brownlee impersonator. I'm my own person. Okay, just got back from surgery. I was accidentally turned into a doggy, but I'm back now. So we can see from these amazing test pictures that don't look photoshopped at all, that the Alcatel C18 Pro has a truly amazing camera. It even has a feature that when you turn on the ultra-wide camera, a gang of sun buggies appear. Let's take a look at one of the ads for their cameras.
Oh, although it's a good place for social distance. Oh, a cute dog. Let me take out my C18 Pro to take a picture for this cute dog. Let me try this micro. Oh, what's this? Is this coronavirus? Oh my god!
So far this yellow eggplant looking butt comes out, and it seems like he's in the middle of a power walk or something. Outdoor is a good place for social distance. Look, a dog! So he proceeds to take out his C18 Pro to take a picture of this stray dog who's been standing on its hind legs for an impressive amount of time.
Let me take out my C18 Pro to take a picture for this cute dog.
And when he turns on the macro, he sees the coronavirus on the dog. And there is so much wrong with this. This is so misleading. You can't take a macro picture from a few feet away. You have to come up close, stupid. This asparagus' teachers clearly got lazy during e-learning. So after he sees the coronavirus, he runs away. Even the son is unhappy. And I still can't figure out why. Oh! That's why we're all stuck inside. I thought there were snowstorms going on outside, which didn't make much sense because it was 81 degrees today, but I didn't go outside to look because it would be breaking social distancing. That explains so much. Thank you, Alcatel. I can't believe I didn't realize before. Got it.
Oh my gosh! Coronavirus on the dog! Run! Oh, I'm so tired. Let me see what's the new feature on this C18 Pro. Wide angle. Whoa! This wide angle can include the whole universe!
Okay, so this phone is really amazing. Not only can it get close enough to see the coronavirus, but it can zoom all the way out to see the entire universe. Truly amazing. I couldn't believe my eyes either. Just ironic that their slogan is divide true and fake. True and fake. There must have been some backlash on this video though or something, because I looked on their website and they added a disclaimer on the information about the macro camera to say that while coronavirus can't be shown, dirty can be checked. So Alcatel and Doggy aren't the only Chinese phone companies. There are hundreds more, including Lphone. They have pretty creative ads. They've even sponsored YouTubers before.
Hi guys, this is Bruno.
Who?
Bruno.
What? Okay, so I looked this guy up. This is not a real YouTuber. I think they probably tried to find a YouTuber to sponsor, but I'm guessing they couldn't find anybody, so they just took one of their employees, dressed him up, and created this fake YouTuber named Bruno. Spect, honestly.
Hi guys, this is Bruno. And released news. True for cameras. Oh my god. How to get a coupon?
First step, click reserve now.
So yeah, you get the gist of it. Lphone's also even made an online mini-series about their phones. Check it out.
Fill my heart with song and let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for.
Who walks like that?
You are all I long for.
I don't know, I'm sure the editor was just having a little bit too much fun with the slow-mo feature in iMovie. Let's keep watching.
All I worship and adore. In other words, please be true. In other words, I love you. In other words.
And so he goes to the other girl because she has a Nokia 3310. I mean, Lphone Q. So that's why this is the perfect Christmas gift. Because we'll make people in a restaurant stare at the girl next to you for a horribly long amount of time, but then go to another table because you have this thing. This is so sad. I feel like she probably spent like $1,000 on the new iPhone or something, and then this guy's just like, nope. I'm just gonna abandon my date that I just stared at for 10 minutes because I want to see this cool technology. However, I will say this looks like the hottest tech in the game. I'm drooling over it too. Also, what are the lyrics to this song? Fly me to the moon, let me play among the stars, let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. In other words, hold my hand. In other words, baby, kiss me. How does flying to the moon to see what spring is like, in other words, mean baby, kiss me? Fly me to the moon and let me play among the stars. What? Let me go to Jupiter and Mars. What? It means kiss me. Are you stupid? You're dumb. You're dumb. Hold my hand too, cause you're dumb. You're dumb. You're dumb. We're done. Hold my hand. We're done. You're dumb. We're done. Okay, that's pretty much all I got for you. If you want me to do a part 2 of this video, let me know because I definitely could. There are hundreds of weird tech products and ads across the globe. I know this video is pretty different from what I normally do, but I figured I would try something new. So hopefully you enjoyed it. Also, I'm gonna stop doing magic at the end of my videos because I feel like it's kind of irrelevant to what I'm actually doing in the video. Maybe I'll start sprinkling them in throughout the video, but if you guys want me to bring it totally back, let me know. I think I may start like a dedicated magic Instagram page or something like that for that kind of content. So hit me up on there pretty soon. And yeah, that's it. Don't forget to ring my like button and subscribe to my bell because I will see you guys next time. I gotta go because I want to see his stronger half. See you next week.